Hello, in front of me I've got T-MOBILE Revvl 6. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable OK Google function. Tap next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. OK Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back, enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, OK Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.